Hi everyone, it's Erin from EB Mixed Media. I am trying to get my planner for February set up and done, and here it is February 1st, and I'm only just getting to it. So I'm going to start laying this out today, and the first 2 pages in my planner for the month are always kind of my goals for the month and my habit trackers. So that is my priority here. I've got some papers here that I thought would look really pretty on here, bringing in some gold. And then I've also got some hearts that I thought I could put around since it is February, Valentine's Day, etc. I have some of this shimmer relief paste, Artistry by Altenew shimmer paste. So I have that, and I've got this stencil with some hearts, so I may do something like that just for a little extra something. And then I have printed out some habit trackers on my 2x2 labels. So that is the game plan. So my thought was, where are my other stickers? Let me see. My thinking is I can lay these out. This is similar to what I did in January, and just sort of lay these around somehow. And then I've got these 2x4 labels that I can put down with them to write my goals on. So that's kind of my game plan. And then, what I wanted to do was write the word goals somewhere across here. I feel like I'm doing exactly what I did in January, but I feel kind of rushed to get this done, so I might just stick with what I know works. I have a video, by the way, of how I made this, so check that out. I'll put the link in the description box below. Just to be different, since there's a lot of blank space here, I think I'll write the word goals up here. And I'm going to just do it in pencil first so that I can make sure I don't make a mistake. So these will be my goals for the month right there. And then over here I have my habit tracker. So I could lay this out maybe like so somehow. I have kind of 4 sets of goals. So if I do that, then I could maybe put habit tracker here. Okay, let me glue these down. And these are just painted papers from my stash. I just think it adds a nice little element to the page. Just some visual interest. I'm gonna need another glue stick here in a second. Yeah. I think one of the things with the planners is I can sometimes get a little, what's the word? Paralyzed with indecision on the best way to lay it out. And sometimes you just have to do it and get moving, you know, and not spend too much time worrying about it. It's not supposed to be stressful. It's supposed to be a fun way to kind of organize. Okay, so I kind of have one piece of paper for each of my goal categories. Then I have some of these 2x4 mailing labels that I will put down here. So my categories are home, art. What are they? I've forgotten. Home, art, family, finance, and personal. And then maybe we'll go here. And then I've got 6 things actually that I'm tracking right now. So I think I can get these 3 across, probably. And I just went online and found a little image of a calendar. And then on my computer, I shrunk it down to the correct size and used a template for my labels and laid it out. Okay. Let's see, so then I've got the word February here. Whoops, I took off all of those. And these are stickers from my Happy Planner days. Still have a load of them. So we'll just put this here for February. Whoops, crooked. Or do I want it right over the word goals? Yeah, let's do that. So there's February goals. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Papermate Flare for starters and outline this. If you watched the video when I created this signature, this cover page is watercolor paper, so it's a little bumpier than the other pages, but I wanted the covers to be a little sturdier. I might go over this with a Posca pen later, but let's just see how it goes. So then I do a faux calligraphy, which is thickening the downstroke. And we can fill that in. I've got these hearts, and I made these hearts using my Fabulous Florals washi tape. This is the Abstract Summer washi tape, but the pinks really match quite well. And I just taped it onto some, I guess that's watercolor paper. It was just a scrap of paper. And then I have a heart-shaped punch that I punched them out with. So I'm just going to put these kind of around the page where I think they'd look good. And where there's kind of some blank spaces maybe. I've got 4. I think I should have 5. I think it's good to have an odd number. So maybe we just do something like that. I like that. So let me glue those down. I've got another little sticker book here from Happy Planner. This is the rainbow, I guess, and it's the big size. But there's some great pink here. What was I thinking? I could use these for my goals. And I think 3 a month is enough, you know. And some of these are continuations of things. that I've been doing. This is kind of cute here. It says get it done, but I think I have one that has gold on it, actually. Yeah. I could put it here maybe instead. Get it done. And this is another Happy Planner book, but I don't know. I know this is the productivity one. She Who Dares Wins. That's kind of a nice one. I like that. Put that down there. Fill that in a little bit. I thought there was one more. Think, Dream, Plan. What if we move this here? And maybe we can do that. I don't know if I like that or not. How about that? Maybe. So now the question is whether I want to add some of these hearts for fun to this page. I'm a little nervous about doing it, I have to admit. I don't know if it really needs it. There's a few blank spaces here that it might be fun. I think I can try it, and if I don't like it, I think I can probably wipe it off. I just hope I don't regret this. Let's do it over here for starters. We'll just do the little ones. This stuff is just super buttery. It's like Nutella or something like that. And I just want to try and get these little ones here. Oops. They're sort of I like the effect of it. I don't like the hearts. So I'm gonna grab, this is one of my favorites to use, this stencil. I think it came from Stencil Girl. I love using it with this gold stuff. So let's try that and see how that looks. I just think since it's Valentine's month, we should be a little decadent. That's looking pretty fun. Now that's going to have to dry for quite a while, so I don't want to I'm kind of nervous about doing too much more because I'm afraid I'm gonna stick my hands in it.
So once that
So
dried a bit, I added
if the
some
light were
gold
shining on
accents
this, where would
to
it hit?
my words as if the sun was sort of hitting them. And then I went ahead and outlined my tracker stickers. I just thought that made them stand out a little bit better as well.
To finish off this page, I've used my dad's old Astro label maker, and I was able to find gold tape. I found it online and have been using that, which is just extra fun. So I've made some labels for my goal categories. And the idea is I've set some goals for the year, and then each month I can refer back to those and kind of put them out at the beginning of the month for what I want to get done during the month to sort of reach those year-long goals. So that's sort of the strategy. So I'll just put these here. This is exactly what I did last month. I feel kind of bad I'm not doing anything new or exciting, but it is like February 2nd, isn't it? Or February 1st today, so I feel like I need to get it done, right? So lots happening, lots of big plans. We'll see if I get there. And then when this sparkle paste dries better and I can really go in and write and not have to worry about wrecking things, I'll list the different habits I'm tracking. So one is like going to bed at 10:30. I'm trying to play the piano every day, that sort of thing. And then I also wanted to point out when I was outlining these stickers, I went off a bit down here and, you know, wrote right across the label. So I covered that up a little bit or tried to detract from it by putting some more of the sparkle paste there. So that's it. I'm probably going to have to use a little more glue and some spots to glue some things down. But otherwise, that was pretty quick and it's kind of fun. Liking the colors together, and I'm loving all the bling, especially for Valentine's Day. So I will be back soon with another video. In the meantime, check me out on Instagram. Bye, y'all. Thanks.